Hi, my name is Mike Barnum at Bankers Insurance, and over the next few minutes we'll be talking about some other strategies to help you get a better deal on your commercial insurance. And that's a lot of folks come to me and they're asking, well, how can we do that? They're used to this traditional model of getting a better rate by inviting other agents to come quote their business. So that sounds great and that seems like it makes sense, but take a look at this graphic here. It's an interesting image where it shows really how counterproductive it can be. Agents getting blocked from insurance carriers. What you might be saying, what does that mean? There's a lot of things going on behind the scenes that truly make this counterproductive and actually an agent doing their job and getting to be able to negotiate the best rate with the underwriter. So what it's also doing though is you and your staff's time, you're spending an unbelievable amount of time talking with each agent and carrier about your business and bringing them up to speed versus actually analyzing and trying to improve upon what you're currently doing. So you're going through this process, and usually it's on a deadline, and it's just 90% of the time statistics show you stay with your current agent and carrier, so your return on your investment is nothing. So what if I told you there was a different way to handle this, that you're actually self-assessing your current risk management and your insurance carrier and your pricing without having to go through the quoting stage? So this is our model right here. We look at the different makeups of what your insurance premium is versus the bottom line insurance price. There's hundreds of factors that are involved to determine which decisions, where you're self-insuring and where you're not. So we go through each of these steps with you, including the policy design, which is almost every time not in line with what the business owners think. Loss analytics, maybe you're being charged for a claim that isn't your fault. Even to predictive modeling, which is a big part of what we do. It's this analytics of how your account's underwritten and priced. Are you answering the question yes or no to a safety program and safety meetings? It's all these little things that add up to, bottom line, what's your insurance price? And so if you start really looking at what makes up your insurance premium versus what is your insurance premium, you can start saving a lot of money in each of these areas, but also more importantly, you can start protecting your business. So if something were to happen, you have all these areas of risk management that you've done to help prevent a claim like that from happening again. And also, there's the last part here is the non-insurance risk transfers. This is often ignored by insurance agents. These are more contractual based analysis. So maybe you're assuming risk of you hire a snow plowing company because it snows one day, and you don't think about a contract, you just pay them to get it done. Well, did you know that if there was a liability lawsuit from that work performed, you could be brought in on it? So how do you solve that? You do a simple risk transfer with them. They sign the contract and be over and done with. Plus, us as your agent, we get to brag to all these insurance carriers lining up to quote your business that you're doing all these effective risk transfers. You've got all these risk management procedures in place. We're able to check all the boxes, pull all the levers to get you the best possible credits on your insurance policy. So again, it's a different way of viewing how to get the best deal you can, but it's a much, much more effective plan than the traditional model, and I hope you get to see that. And please call me if you have any questions. I love what I do, I love insurance, and would love to help you in any way I can.